Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirisha Singh. I am a consultant dermatologist and aesthetic dermatologist. Today we are going to talk about oily skin in summers and how to deal with oily skin in summers. Most people when they come to me tell me they really don't understand the skin type because sometimes the skin appears oily, sometimes it feels dry and sometimes it appears like they've got a combination skin type. You would know if you have an oily skin simply by looking at your face bare in the morning, the first thing in the morning as soon as you've woken up. As soon as you've woken up with your face bare of any makeup, bare of any cream, when you look into the mirror, if you see that your whole face is shiny, it means that you have an oily skin. If you see that only your forehead and the tip of your nose is shiny, whereas your cheeks feel normal or dry, then you've got a combination skin type. If you feel that the entire face feels a bit dry and a bit stretched, then you got dry skin. So if you do have oily skin and you find that your entire face looks shiny first thing in the morning without having applied any moisturizer on the surface of the skin, then the chances are during summers your skin will only appear more shiny and more oily because the increased sweating will add to the shininess of the surface of the skin. So what is one expected to do? The general tendency is to think that I have oily skin, so let me cleanse my face several times a day. This would be completely a wrong move. What is advisable is that you use a gentle cleanser and use a gentle cleanser not more than twice a day. You need to maintain some amount of hydration of the skin because if you dry up your skin excessively, the oil glands will produce more oil to compensate for the dryness of the skin and you will simply land up having a more oily skin. So stick to a gentle moisturizer, gentle cleanser, preferably a pH neutral cleanser, and wash your face with lukewarm water or cold water twice a day. And in between, if you want to feel fresh and you feel your skin feels very oily and grimy, you can simply splash some lukewarm water or cold water on your face to give the freshness to your skin. The other common myth that people have about oily looking skin is that they do not need a moisturizer. This again is not true. Even people with oily skin and people who have acne, what is commonly also known as pimples, do need a moisturizer. All it means is that people, when they have an oily skin, they need a more gentle moisturizer and they need a lighter moisturizer as compared to someone with a dry skin. So look around, check out your moisturizers. You could try a couple of moisturizers till you find one that suits your skin, and everybody eventually finds one that suits their particular skin type. The moisturizer is right for you if when you apply it on your skin feels just right. It neither feels very oily and sticky, nor does it feel very tight and stretched. People with oily skin also tend to have more open pores and they tend to be more prone to get pimples. If you fall in this category and you suffer from open pores and you have a problem with pimples, it is advisable to consult your dermatologist. Your dermatologist may give you some creams which contain medicated active ingredients which you could use in the nights. They work overnight to reduce the size of the glands which cause pimples, and they can also get rid of the bacterial overgrowth in your pimples. If you need any further details on how to manage your oily skin, feel free to contact me. My contact details are given in the description box below. Thank you.